In order to log in as an agent, click on the icon on the top right-hand corner of the page. Enter your agent login details. You can also select Remember Me and access the Forgotten Password link here, where you can reset your password. Once you're logged in, you will be redirected to the home page. You will be signed in to a specific account, where you can see the details underneath the page header. Please ensure you are purchasing on the correct account. You can change the account by selecting this button. You can change your password and log out using the options at the bottom of the right-hand menu. You can view general account information at the top of the right-hand menu. GOb2b can enable different features to view account balance, credit limit, and early settlement. Get in touch to enable these features. Select your account from this menu, where you will find the account overview. Here you can view more information and navigate via the menu below. If you click Select Account, you will be taken to a page that shows all the accounts the agent has permission to purchase for. You can easily change the account here. When you are on the Select Account page, you can use the search bar to search by account name, number, or address details. Search around the site to create a basket for a customer. You'll see any price breaks or offers that the customer might be missing will show once you add the item to the basket. As an agent, you can create baskets and then amend the price of both the items and the shipping. Just click the pencil icon in order to edit, then select the refresh icon to update the basket. When adding items to the basket, you can easily change the quantity by using the plus and minus symbols, then updating the basket. You can do this either on the mini basket or in the basket page. You can also easily delete items if they're no longer required. If you do not want to process the order straight away, or require approval from the customer, you can save the order. This will navigate you to the Saved Orders page. You can also access saved orders by using the right-hand menu. You can then add a saved order to the basket, or delete as required. When in the basket, you can access the barcode scanner, which, if required, will need to be added as a feature by GOb2b. You will find instructions on how to use it by hovering over the info icon. Quick Order is where you can search by stock code, and it will automatically add the product to the basket. The CSV upload is another easy way to add products. You will find instructions on how to prepare the CSV by selecting the question mark icon. These are useful tools for both agents and purchasers. You can navigate to all of these features via the right-hand menu. Agent Cart Intercept is another useful feature. If a customer has created an order, but you have agreed they pay a reduced fee, or have free shipping, then you can use Agent Cart Intercept to view their cart and saved orders, and amend the pricing as required. The customer can then review the order and process the payment. You can also delete the order if it is no longer required. Here is an order where a shipping service is not available. This may be because it's in an area you don't usually deliver to. If you have the shipping quotes feature enabled, the customer can request a delivery quote at checkout. An agent can then view any quotes that require shipping to be added via the Shipping Quotes option in the right-hand menu, and edit as required. The customer will then be able to view these quotes and accept them, and proceed to purchase the order. When an agent is ready to process an order on behalf of a customer, they follow the same checkout procedure as the customer. Here we will add the saved order to the basket, and then proceed to checkout. When you go to process the order, the account delivery addresses will be loaded. You can also add in an alternative delivery address if required. GOb2b can add in the field purchaser to notify, so that this contact will receive an order confirmation via email. There is also the option to have an additional text field for any other notification emails below that. An order reference is added as standard, but please be in touch if you would like to make this obligatory. Underneath, the agent can add additional order notes. You will find the order details and addresses below. At this stage, you can save the order if not ready to process, or choose a payment type. Don't forget to select the Terms and Conditions tick box. You will be redirected to the order confirmation page, where an order number will generate from your accounting system. If you are set up as a site admin, you will have access to the admin section via the right-hand menu. Here you will be able to access the dashboard, trade accounts, orders, and reports. You can see the order has generated in the orders list, with all the details accessible here. From the site, you can view the order history for the specific account you are viewing. You can view the customer's top products, which are the most purchased. You can also view their favorite products, which can be selected by clicking the star icon on the product image.